Join me as I put the C24 Ultra to the test and see if its 108MP camera and massive battery can really handle a full day of use. The C24 Ultra 8GB plus 256GB Android 13 smartphone is here, boasting an incredible 108MP camera and a massive 6,800 mAh battery. This phone seems to have it all: high-end specs, advanced camera capabilities, and long-lasting battery life. Many of us have struggled with smartphones that just can't keep up. The battery drains too quickly, or the camera just can't seem to capture the moment the way we want it to. We've all been there, scrambling to find a charger or reshooting a photo because it just didn't turn out right. These issues can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to capture life's special moments or get work done on the go. A reliable smartphone is more than just a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. The C24 Ultra aims to tackle these problems head-on with its impressive specs. Its 108MP camera is designed to deliver crystal-clear photos, and the 6,800 mAh battery promises all-day power. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive deeper into what makes this phone tick and see how it stacks up against the competition. The C24 Ultra is powered by Android 13, coupled with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, making it a powerhouse for multitasking and storage needs. Its competitors might offer similar specs, but how does it perform in real-life usage? In terms of camera capabilities, the 108MP sensor is undoubtedly a highlight, capable of capturing stunning detail. But it's not just about the megapixels, it's about how the camera performs in various conditions. I'd like to put the C24 Ultra's camera to the test with a comparison against other popular smartphones. We'll take a series of photos in different lighting conditions to see how it stacks up. The battery life test is also crucial. With a 6,800 mAh battery, the C24 Ultra seems well equipped to handle demanding usage patterns. But let's see how it fares in a real-world test. The C24 Ultra's standout feature for me is its ability to balance performance and battery life. Whether you're a heavy user or just need a reliable phone for everyday tasks, this device seems to offer a compelling package. In conclusion, the C24 Ultra 8GB plus 256GB Android 13 smartphone checks many of the right boxes. Its 108MP camera and 6,800 mAh battery make it an attractive option for those seeking a high-performance smartphone. So, what do you think? What are your favorite smartphone features? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in more tech reviews and hands-on tests, be sure to check out another video on my channel. Unlock cell phone C24 Ultra Smartphone Android 13 phones 8GB plus 256GB /6.8 HD screen /dual SIM /108MP plus 48MP camera /6,800 mAh built-in pen. Brand safety, say. Operating system Android 13.0. RAM memory installed size 8GB. Memory storage capacity 256GB. Screen size 6.8. Resolution 1512 by 720. Model name C24 Ultra. Wireless carrier unlocked for all carriers. Cellular technology 5G. Color black. Unlocked smartphone. The C24 Ultra phone unlocked for all carriers. Dual SIM cell phone. C24 Ultra smartphone supports much wider frequency bands. Dual SIM cell phone allows you to flexibly change carriers and choose your own data plan. 6.8-inch full screen. This cell phone's with the large 6.8 inches HD Plus LCD that delivers vivid details, and a 95% screen-to-body ratio. Great phone camera resolution. The 108MP macro captures breathtakingly fine details up close. 48MP front camera with built-in portrait enhancement shows your best side in every selfie or video call. More ways to express. Built-in pen keeps the legacy of C24 Ultra Note alive. Capture scribbles, strokes of genius and everything in between with the built-in pen. Fastest mobile processor available. Smoothly switch between working and playing apps with our fastest octa-core processor ever. More storage, more memory. C24 Ultra phone with an impressive amount of storage, starting at 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. You can enjoy being behind the camera without the stress that comes with getting close to filling up your phone. 6,800 mAh big battery. Android 13 unlocks phones. Android 13 smartphone is equipped with an above-average 6,800 mAh battery. Intelligent and thoughtful AI battery management can reduce excessive cache to save more power and then to be longer standby time. This phone stay along your side, ready for your need. Equipped with 20 watts fast charging, it can charge quickly when you need it.